Okay, on some of these tablets, the Facebook application has been pre-installed at the factory, and you may find that you can't log into it. So I'll just give you an example. You've got Facebook there. If I try and log into it, you get this. Just click I agree. Okay, I'm going to put my email address in, and in a second when I put my password in, I'm obviously going to turn away because I don't want you logging in under my account. Turn away. Come back now. Okay, log in, and you might get this error. It seems to be happening on quite a few of them for whatever reason. I think it's the old version of the Facebook application. So there's two ways of doing it. Either, if we go back to the start here, two ways of doing it. Either uninstall the Facebook application, so in which case you hold it down like this, then drag it up to the recycle bin there, and then it'll say, do you want to uninstall this application? Just click OK, and then it will uninstall. Okay, and then you need to go to the shop in order to reinstall the latest application for Facebook shop, and sign in to the your Google account. Now if you haven't already got one, create one by pressing new. I've already got one, so I'll go to existing. I need to connect to my Wi-Fi also, so if you just turn away a second, password. Okay, I'm just connecting to my Wi-Fi. Okay, that's connected, as you can see there. Next. Okay, so it's asking me to sign into my Google account now. So that's just your email address, presumably if you've used your own email address. .com, followed by your password. Okay. Okay, then it'll sign into the Google account, where you can download the latest Facebook application. Okay, do you want to join Google Plus? That's entirely up to you personally. I don't want to, so no. Okay, this is where you put your card details in, your credit card details, your debit card details, whichever, in order to pay for paid applications. But I'm not going to do that now because Facebook's free, so I'm going to skip. Next. Continue. It's going to let me now into the Play Store. Yeah, accept that. This is where you can download your applications, whether they be free or paid. And in the top right here, you've got plenty of apps here and what have you. The top right, you can click on the search, and obviously I want to find Facebook. So I'll type in Facebook, and there's Facebook there. Okay, Facebook, top left hand corner. I'll click that and install on the right hand side. Click install, accept and download. So that's now downloading. You can see the progress it's making here. Once it's finished downloading, it'll automatically install the application for you. And it's got the percentage here as well. You can see now it's installing, and it shows you here also installing Facebook. Okay, that's finished installing now, and you can click open or just go straight back to your desktop part and the application will be there. So you can either click open there or click that button there to take you back to your main home screen. You've got Facebook there. So this is obviously the updated version of Facebook, because the pre-installed one was an old version that for whatever reason didn't seem to be working. Takes a couple of minutes the first time round as well, because it's a new application. There we go. Okay, again, when I put my password in, I'm just going to move the video out of the way. Next. Okay, I'm just putting in my password now. Okay. That's my password, click done. And now it's loading into Facebook for the first time. Again, it can take a minute or so, with it being the first time. There you go, there's my Facebook just loading now. And the other option, if you don't want to go through the hassle of uninstalling the app and reinstalling the app, etc., the other option is to set the tablet back to factory settings, which is sometimes a bit quicker, to be honest with you, but it's entirely up to you which one you want to do. You can see there Facebook's working fine as it should. Okay, so I'm going to come out of this now and I'll show you how to reset it back to factory settings. Okay, so little bit at the bottom down there, bottom right hand corner, this is your settings menu here. You click that, settings again, like that. And then on the left hand side, if you scroll down to backup and reset there, backup and reset, if you click that, and then you've got factory data reset, you click that, and then reset tablet, click that, erase everything. Okay, that's going to power off now and reset the tablet back to factory settings, and that's it, it'll restart as you see, and then that's back to factory settings without the original Facebook application that was pre-installed at the factory at the time. So yeah, those are the two ways of doing it. It's entirely up to you which one you choose. If you've got any problems, give me a shout.